What's up, my name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Alright, so today's footwork move we're going to be working on is called the high hook. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dancing to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so this footwork variation is based off of our basic hook, so if you don't know how to do that yet, be sure to check out my previous tutorial I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so we're going to take our basic hook, which is usually down by our ankle, and we're going to bring it up to the top of our knee. So to start this, we're going to start like a regular hook. So you still want to be in your neutral position. We still want to be swinging our leg from our right to our left, but now you want to think, instead of stopping here, I actually want to bring my foot a little bit higher so it lands on my knee. So again, basics of the hook, I am leaning on this leg so my leg has somewhere to go, again playing with opposition. So my right leg goes out, and then at the same time I'm going to reach back and put my knee on, or my ankle on top of my knee. And then from here, I'm just gonna come right back down. So one more time. It takes a little bit more balance for this one because you're not depending on letting your knee fall. You have to balance really well on this left leg and really use that right hand to kind of catch you. So again, swinging out here, and then you're gonna catch here. So again, from here, don't go flat-footed and don't drop your hips, but again, I am balancing on that toe and sitting on my heel, and now just come back to normal. So let's try it on the other side. So same thing. Again, since I need to swing my left leg out, that means I need to put all my pressure on this right leg, and I am like letting my body kind of go the opposite way of my leg just to find that balance. So again, my left leg goes out, I'm gonna catch it here, and again, not flat foot, but sitting up. So again, a little bit more balance, but you're gonna have to train it over and over again just to find that balance, and then you come back to your neutral. So let's try it again. So left leg swings out, come back, and then back to the neutral. All right, so let's try to go side to side. So we're gonna start with our right, we'll come back to neutral, and we'll go back to our left and come back to neutral. And again, it's very important that for this one, we are sitting on our toes a lot and really finding that balance either on our left leg or our right leg. And also when you put down your arm, make sure we have that alignment with our shoulder to our wrist, right? So if you have your wrist kind of back behind your shoulder, you're gonna use a lot more strength that you don't need. So keep it a little bit easier on yourself and make sure you have that alignment. So here we go. So we'll go right to left. So 6, 7, right leg first. So this goes right, back, left, back. So right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back. All right, so now let's try to put it together with counts. For right now, I'm just gonna use whole counts. So when I hook, the high hook, I'm gonna go 1. When I come back to neutral, that'd be my 2. And there's nothing wrong with keeping your arm down when you come back to neutral. That's up to you. If you want to come back to this neutral where you don't have your arms, that's totally fine. For me, I'm gonna keep my arms on the ground just to make it a little bit easier. So here we go with our right. So 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so once you have your high hook, now you can actually start combining it with your regular hook. So you could go from your regular to your high hook, or you can transition from your high hook to your low hook. So for instance, let's go high to low. So from here, I'm gonna start with my high hook. So I come up, up, and then I can drop down into my low one, and I'll just reset back over here, right? I could do the opposite. I could start low, come high, and then come back. So it's really up to you where you can be really creative now. For now, let's just drill going high to low on each side. Okay, so we'll go high, down low, and then come back to neutral. So we'll go right leg, so this goes high, drop it down low, low, and then back to neutral, neutral. Now we'll go high again here, high, down low, drop back to neutral. So if I were to put this together with counts, let's break it up into 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, and then neutral is 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's try going the opposite way. Let's go low to high. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes low, high, 3, 4, and low, high, 3, 4, and low, high, 3, 4, and low, high, 3, 4. All right, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to hit that subscription button and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one, the high hook does take a little bit more balance and a little bit more strength in your legs. So just make sure, again, that we don't go flat foot when we hit our high hook, but we're still keeping our basics of our regular hook and still staying on our toe and sitting on our heel. Second thing is your arm is really there to help you, so make sure you're always in this straight alignment from your shoulder to your wrist and not having it way out here. All right, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.